We are going to show you how to use LDAP and maintain your address book. As you can see, this is your scan screen. Go down to Address Search. Click the search button in the right hand corner. At this point, type in the last three letters of the last name. I'm typing in mine, RHO. Click Search. It'll spin for a few seconds and you'll see everybody with those names come up. Mine is the second name. I'll tap it. At that point, I can scan, or if I want to register it, I can put in the registry by clicking the registry button. Click the name I want to register. Now this is going to save it to my address book. I can click here and decide where I want to keep it. I'll save mine under PQR for roads. Click OK. The next thing I'll do, I want to put in the name I want to see in the address book. So I'm going to type in Michael. Click the space bar to get your capital letters and click it again to get your lowercase letters. So I'm typing in M-I-C-H-A-E-L. Make sure that's correct. Click OK. I look and there's all my information, Michael, there's my email address and where I'm going to save it. If I want to register it, I click register. I come back to this previous screen, I can close it. And now if I click on my address book, you'll see I have my name there. I hope this is very helpful for you. If not, call Copy Services at 8048. Thank you.